Getting ready to put a set of wiper blades on a 2002 Ford Ranger. If you have the same model year, it should be the same on an 02 to a 2011 Ranger. We'll show you how to put a new set of wiper blades on your truck.
I'm going to change this wiper blade. It needs to have a little arrow pointing up, so you can just pop this cap up, off, and then we can slide this thing down. It comes right off. So when you have your new blades, we got these online at Rock Auto, and I'll tell you, there's an incredible markup on wiper blades. And you know, if you plan on keeping your vehicle, you're better off buying a set of wiper blades and holding on to them. These blades cost us between $5 and $6 for the Bosch wiper blades. These are a quality blade. And we've had great luck with them. So you go to the parts store there, you know, you can pay 27 bucks. You want to slide this on until you hear a click, and then you're just going to close your cover. And that's it. Blade doesn't move. And you just slide it down. You do not want to have your fingers on the wiper blades. If you put any oil on the front of the blade, that can streak the window. And if you have good blades that are on there but they're streaking, you can take ammonia or a Windex and a rag, wipe it down. That'll clean the blade off.
It'll also help to prevent scratching the window too.
Yeah, get you a little more life out of them. Now look at this one.
That's not good.
Holy. Slide these on into the slot in here. You're going to clip, lock, make sure it's firm, and you're good.
Hey, thanks for watching the video. Hope it helps you out. If you have a question, leave a comment. I'll reply back to you. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.